Shit. That Miley don't never treat a nigga right. I'm up.
First thing when I wake up, I'm thinking about that paper with your thigh ready to slay it. Cause the whole nothing but nature and my partner in me up. He say he need a favor and a nigga try to gang up, man, he need me to shit on my city, bro, it ain't no problem. Shit, he made up later, got the beam on the 30, you would think it was a laser. And my gang don't do no faking, we let them bullets chase them, we let them bullets chase them, cause my squad naughty by nature.
Now my squad naughty by nature, yo bitch naughty by nature. Them geeks down the street on the block asking for favors, but I don't do no loans, homie, gotta have a paper. My scale weigh tenths, I call that my calculator. Yo bitch, ain't your bitch got 100, I could take her. Leave her with a sweet tooth so I could fuck her now and later. I'll go everything, you would think I was a Laker, but Sushii just a player. Bitch put me in the paper. In other words, like Big Shine, I'm way up. No, I don't fire bitches, I just give them pay cuts. Yo bitch talking my ear off about some shit she made up, so I just threw her 2 Zans that told that bitch to stay up. We dry fucking, we lay up. No, I'm no Captain Saver. Left her body in shock cause she just got hit with this taser. To the other side where I take her, let her meet them capers. Bitch, young Sushii been selling dope since pages, bitch.
First thing when I wake up, I'm thinking about that paper with your thigh ready to slay it. Cause the whole nothing but nature and my partner in me up. He say he need a favor and a nigga try to gang up, man, he need me to shit on my city, bro, it ain't no problem. Shit, he made up later, got the beam on the 30, you would think it was a laser. And my gang don't do no faking, we let them bullets chase them, we let them bullets chase them, cause my squad naughty by nature.
Now my squad naughty by nature, we got millions in the making. Man, I heard your block be poppin', bout to pull up, see what's shaking. Bout to pull up with a bando and more work than you can handle. Then I leave that bitch vacant, robbed your partner, left him naked. Cause that boy hella lame, he was just another stain. Shoulda left when he came, but that just part of the game. Shit, that just how it go. You got cash, throw some more. I got J's at my door, I got money on the floor, I got bags I could blow, I got perk I could grow, and I sell it for the hot nigga 400 a O. I got freaks I could freak, I got geeks that be geek. He call me when he get his check and he get paid every week. We got nines, we got Glocks, we got hoes, we got thoughts. They got plugs, get a drop, they get robbed on the spot. To make a long story short, we ain't playing with these niggas. Pistol talk, all I'm saying to these niggas.
First thing when I wake up, I'm thinking about that paper with your thigh ready to slay it. Cause the whole nothing but nature and my partner in me up. He say he need a favor and a nigga try to gang up, man, he need me to shit on my city, bro, it ain't no problem. Shit, he made up later, got the beam on the 30, you would think it was a laser. And my gang don't do no faking, we let them bullets chase them, we let them bullets chase them, cause my squad naughty by nature. First thing when I wake up, I'm thinking about that paper with your thigh ready to slay it. Cause the whole nothing but nature and my partner in me up. He say he need a favor and a nigga try to gang up, man, he need me to shit on my city, bro, it ain't no problem. Shit, he made up later, got the beam on the 30, you would think it was a laser. And my gang don't do no faking, we let them bullets chase them, we let them bullets chase them, cause my squad naughty by nature.